Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Skyline Academy, in which I'm posting videos related to SAP Solution Manager functionalities. And today I was just going through some of the comments related to my videos, and some people have reacted as well as uh, asked some questions. So in today's videos, I'm just going to share some details related to security notes, because one of the subscriber has asked that how to download the security notes, how can we identify the security notes via system recommendations. So today just we are going to check that, and I'll give some information related to how can you implement those notes and what would be the strategy to implement in your landscape. So welcome back, and this is my my home of SAP Solution Manager Launchpad. From here I'll go to system recommendation tile. So what I'll do is I'll go to this icon, I'll click on here, I'll go to change management. In change management there is some options. Here is one, system recommendations. Just click on this one, system recommendations. Okay, you can see these are the options by default, they are available here. So here security notes, hot news, performance notes, legal change, license, audit notes. These are standard options we are available. However, we are also having some other options which I'll show right now. As for example, I'll go for a S4H. I'll click on this one just to enter in the system details. Now here I'm having technical systems, for which you will select the release date, which I have mentioned already, that how you can find out. These are the note types, all related to performance, hot news, license, and security. As there is no security notes available pending to install, that's why it is not showing here. Otherwise, it would show that. Priority you can select from here. So this thing, and I'll check one more. I'll go in filter, and filter there's 7 more filters. I click on this one. I'll check category and correction types. I'll click OK and I'll go. Now I have some other filters as well. So here in category, I'll check the program errors or others which you want to have in details, right? And correction types, from here, I'll check the automatic, manual, pre or post. So it depends how you are looking to check your correction types. Then I'll go and I'll click on go. So the priority, if I talk about, if I'm choosing some, let me node type remove from here, and then one just simple question, that if you go in priority, if it is a hot news, that priority 1, 2 is priority high, 3 is medium, and 4 is low priority. So if it is priorities hot news, and if that is having category program error, it means that is a critical one. So it depends. Hot news, priority, and program errors. It is having the critical one, or based on your choice, you can use that. Now, if you select this note, go to integrated desktop actions, download this note. You can see here we are getting option to download note in SAP system. It means this note will be downloaded in S4H system. I will not click on download. I wanted to show the how you can use that. So from here you can use that, but it depends on your organization how the changes are moved in production. If you want to move from T, means from development, quality, and then production, then first of all you need to download these notes manually in your development system. Or if you want to choose, here I have selected system S4H, but here you can select your development system as well. Click on development system, search the note, go to integrated desktop actions, and download SAP notes. So you will be able to download all notes in SAP system, development system. You will implement their note. We have a one transport request. That transport request will be moved from quality and then production based on you how the changes are moved in your organization. That is one way how you can move. How can we download the notes, as well as how can I find the critical security notes? You have many options you can choose from here, and based on the correction types what you are looking for, implementation status as well, that if it is a new note, a new version available, or it is updated one. Here the correction types, there are some other correction types as well, like correction notes and security notes, as there is no security notes available in your system to implement in S4. That's why there is no, this is no type is not showing here, but it can be shown in your landscape. So this is how you can download and you can implement these notes across your landscape to keep in sync with every object. uh, that's all in this video. That was related to system recommendation extended version. So whatever the questions you had, I have answered in this video. And please subscribe my channel, please like the video, and please share this video with your friends, and please request them to subscribe channel to get new videos at first when I post on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye.